What is up, everybody? This is House of Beast Tommy here, coming at you with a DIY screen printing hack we're experimenting. The other day I did a video on coating a screen with emulsion. Somebody had a question about what can they use over the counter or something you can buy from Home Depot to take the ghosting or the haze off of a screen. I have a screen right here. This is an old screen, not old, but you know, it's been on there for a little bit. So I'm gonna spray it down. I'm gonna spray half of it, and I'm gonna see if it works. I'm gonna let it sit for like 2 or 3 hours. This is the product: citrus strip paint and varnish stripper. I'm gonna spray half of it, so you know, let it sit that way. All right, I sprayed half the screen there. I sprayed half of it just so you could get a real before and after type thing using this. I'll see you in a few hours when I spray it off. It's 2:30 right now. I will go about 4 o'clock, 4:30, and then I'll post the results later. So
House of Beast, yeah, HOB, yeah, House of Beast, yeah, HOB is this.
what is up, everybody? I'm back with to finish off this little DIY hack that we're trying. Let me get my screen. I have the screen coated. I did half of it. We are going to check if this citrus strip will take off the ghosting on the screen. It is 4:42 right now, and I think it was 2:30 when I did it roughly. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this off, and then I'll come back here in just a second. I'm going to have to say that it lightened it up, right? But you can see right here, from here to here, you can see it's a little bit darker. So it's I would say a no to a complete haze remover. It did lighten it up, and I left it for two and a half hours. Maybe if I left it for longer, maybe, I don't know, right? But you can see right here, from here to here, you can see it's a little bit darker. So it's I would say a no to a complete haze remover. It did lighten it up, and I left it for two and a half hours. Maybe if I left it for longer, maybe, I don't know. But at least right now I would have to say that it helped, but it didn't work completely. So this right here, if you want to at least get half the results, about 10 bucks a can from Home Depot. That's what you're looking at right there. So I would say no. It did not remove the haze. I don't know. Give me some ideas. I'll try something else. Leave it in the comments. See something else you want me to try? Leave it in the comments and I'll get back at it.